Hello, in this video we'll solve Natas 16. So on opening the web page, we see that there is a search option which returns the word starting with the strings we enter, which is quite similar to Natas 9 and 10. So let's check the source code to find the difference. As you can see, the key is used inside the quotes in the grep command, so our approach of using the wildcard will not work here. We'll use the command substitution and enter another grep command in the key. We'll try to check character by character if that character is present in the password for Natas 17 or not. We'll access the Natas 17 file from the Natas webpass directory. For checking the character of the file, we'll have to modify the grep command and use a Python program as we did in Natas 15 for the brute force. This is the Python program that we are going to use. This Python program uses the library request, which can be used to communicate with web pages. As you can see, we have used the get command of the request library, which returns the output of the command execution, which we have stored in the result variable. Here is the get command and the result variable. Then we are checking if the first word in the output is equal to African as we run the grep command with the A. We'll explain the command in a second. If the word is not African, we add the particular character to the output string, start again to find the next character. The outer for loop is to maintain the length of the password. The input command is stored in the form of a F string in a command variable. Now, we will first explain the grep command and then we'll run this Python file to show you how it works. So, in this grep command, this grep-o will return only the part of the string which is matching with the out plus j part. This character will search for strings starting with the out plus j part. The outer dollar, which is here, is a part of a bash shell command syntax. This outer character is used to negate the output of the inner grep command, which implies that if there are no strings in the directory matching the string we input, which is out plus j, the inner grep command will return null, which will be negated and all the words will be returned. Hence, we'll add a character at the end of our command so that if the inner command returns all the words in the string, with that character, we can identify if the input string in the grep command is part of the password or not by checking the first character of each string in output. When we try the above command with capital A as string, the output is given complete words. Therefore, A can never be the first character of the password. So we'll append an A at the end of the above command. So the command then becomes this that we have used here. Now we will execute this Python file. I have named this Python file script.py. So we'll use Python script.py. The file takes a little time to execute. So I executed the same command before. And as you can see, after some time, the password for the next level starts up building. And as you can see, by the end of this command, you are able to get the password, which is this.